Alden, with your update. Sa 15 years anniversary ni Alden, magkakaroon ng online celebration sa December 8. At special guest ni Alden sa concert niya sila Will Ashley, Bianca De Vera at Justin Yu. Kasama rin ang Cup of Joe. Yan sa AR-15 moving forward, yun, no? So, ito pa yung ganap ni Alden. May pa-black screening niya sa dalawang movie. Ganyan ka-generous si Alden.
You're welcome po. Yes po. The least we could do po for each other naman. Siyempre, support.
Thank you.
Play yun sa episodes eh. Kakaiba. Ibang quality, ibang way of storytelling yung ginawa dito. And ang key points kasi is these are actual anecdotes of real people from real walks of life when it comes to the... So medyo nakakatakot natin dyan. So excited mo na akong mapanood ko.
Oo, ang tagal mo naman gumawa ng horror.
At least 2011.
Same director.
Yam
Laranas.
Pochong.
Yes. Yam Laranas.
Gawa ka daw yung season 2. Ay, ano yun? Part 2.
Ito muna. Tama na muna. But thank you, Alden, for sponsoring the block screening tonight.
Opo naman.
Yes. Ang laki ng puso. Guwapo na. Ang laki pa ng puso.
True.
The block screening of Meet, Greet, Buy, and we've heard so many good comments and feedbacks about the film, and right now we're very blessed to be able to have the presence of the lead actors for Meet, Greet, Buy, directed by Direk Cathy Garcia. And maraming salamat po. And of course, nakasama ko rin po kayo all throughout the 15 years of my journey. And to all our, siyempre, Albert, to all our friends po from the media, the press, and our vlogger friends. Merry Christmas po. Thank you so much. And of course, to our sponsors, of course, Casino Plus. Thank you so much, Casino Plus, to Bench, to Bello Medical Group, to CDO, White Flower, and Oxycure. Maraming salamat po. Good night, everyone, and ingat po kayo pa uwi. Merry Christmas, guys.
Thank you.
Don't forget, subscribe, click the notification bell for more updates. This is Twitcher Reaction Vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.